I am going to discuss about fundamental equation of radiation. The antenna is a radiator or receiver of electromagnetic waves. All wireless communication systems, whether transmitting or receiving, require some sort of antenna. So the antenna accepts power from the transmitter and launches it into space as an electromagnetic wave. At the receiving end of the circuit, a similar antenna collects energy from the passing electromagnetic wave and converts it into an alternating electric current or signal that the receiver can detect. So, antennas are metallic structures mainly designed for radiating or receiving electromagnetic energy. Now, let us see how antenna radiates electromagnetic energy. Let us see the fundamental equation of radiation. How the radiation is possible from an antenna. Let us see. Generally, the electromagnetic radiation is produced whenever electric charges accelerate or decelerate. That is, when they change either their speed or direction, whatever it may be, of their movement. Mainly, the acceleration due to change in direction is called centripetal acceleration. We know the current is rate of change of charge, and a time varying current corresponds to acceleration or deceleration of charges, which is the main required condition to radiate electromagnetic waves. Let us consider extremely thin wire of length L, and the current flowing through that extremely thin wire is I. So from the fundamental equation of current, we know that I is equal to Q by T. Q is nothing but the charge moved through the length L of the wire in time T. So multiply and divide. Multiply both numerator and denominator with L and replace that Q by T with Q by L and L with L by T. So Q by L is nothing but the rho V, which is the linear charge density, and here this Q by L represents the linear charge density and V is the L by T represents the length by time, represents the velocity, drift velocity of the charge. So I is equal to, we get I is equal to rho L into V. Differentiating this equation with respect to time, we get di by dt is equal to rho L dv by dt. Here dv by dt means change in velocity with respect to time gives acceleration. So di by dt is equal to rho L A. Here A is the acceleration of charge. So on multiplying both sides with the L, we get L di by dt equal to L rho L A. This equation is the basic relation between current and charge and is known as the fundamental equation of electromagnetic radiation. L di by dt is equal to L into rho L A. Here from this equation, we can say that the conducting wire can radiate electromagnetic energy if there is a oscillating current in wire. First condition, oscillating current in wire. Second case, that is steady current in curved, bent or discontinuous, terminated or truncated wire. Here, this accelerated charge also produces electromagnetic radiation. This is how electromagnetic radiation is produced from a thin wire.